Right, here we are, part 11. So we left off, I had rolled the first coat. I didn't bother showing you the cutting in. It just takes forever to get that time-lapse stuff sorted out. So it's all finished now. Well, I just have to gloss the woodwork. I'll do that tomorrow when I come home from work. Tomorrow night. So it's all done and dusted. Very happy. So I have a door here that's undercoated, and there's another one out in the shed undercoated, so I can hit the two of them with gloss as well tomorrow evening. I use this stuff here, Dulux High Gloss. It's water based. There's no smell of it because I can't use any of that solvent based stuff. Drives the missus nuts. I don't like the smell of it myself. To be honest. And the smell lingers in the room for days after it's done. So it's really nice to see it all the one colour, and all my prep work really paid off. I spent a lot of time filling and sanding, like there's no visible trace at all of the where the marks were on the walls, because what happened was when I removed the wardrobe, which came out to about here, the room had been painted that many times. I reckon it was painted at least 9 times, maybe more, in 15 years. This was a playroom for the kids when they were small, so it was done a couple of different themes. It was SpongeBob, and it was this, and it was that. So I had to cut the wall with a Stanley knife back to solid paint, solid paint, and fill it all, and lots of sanding, and the dust was absolutely horrendous. And I left those up. I just painted around them because it was a pain in the backside putting them up, so I didn't bother taking them down. So the trunking turned out nice. It's all wood. Like, I gave that 2 coats of undercoat before I painted it. So it came out pretty neat, you know. So I can run cables down through that now. There's loads of room in it, so don't have to open it up or anything. That's the way I have it made anyway. You can't open it, so quite pleased with that. So there we go. Need my vest again. So that's it for this video, and I hope you'll join us again soon. We're really making progress now. Felt like I was getting nowhere for a long time, so it's nice to have the back broke of it, as we say here. And once I get this glossing done, I didn't do the outside of the door frame because I'll treat the utility room as a different project. I have to do all the woodwork out there white as well, so, and it needs a little bit of work, so I didn't bother doing anything with it. So there you go, that's it, and we'll get you again very soon. And I hope you're enjoying the series of videos on the refit of the shack stroke office. So we're quite pleased with how it's turned out now so far, and that ceiling is absolutely flawless. There was a mark along the ceiling where the wardrobe was, and you can't even see it. And I tell you, it's no fun sanding a ceiling and the dust coming down into your eyes even when you have glasses on you. It's absolutely horrendous. So that's it, 7-3, and we'll get you again very soon. This is George, EI 7 Kilo Oscar. Bye bye.